gentleman gives him out to be of good capacity and breeding. Therefore, this letter, being so excellently ignorant, will breed no terror in the youth. He will find it comes from a clodpole. But I will deliver his challenge by word of mouth. Set upon you cheek a notable report of valor, and drive the gentleman, as I know his youth will aptly receive it, into a most hideous opinion of his skill, rage, fury, and impetuosity. This will so fright them both that they will kill one another by the look.
Ah, here he comes with your niece. Give them way till he take leave, and presently after him.
I will meditate the while on some hideous message for a challenge.